Hi guys, I'm Rob from Currys, and today we're taking a look at 3 top features of this, the amazing Smart Oven Air Fryer from Sage. It's super versatile, as it's 7 appliances in one. It's got a dedicated air fryer, and it's great for all-round convenience. I'm off to the test lab at the studio to try it out and show you what it can do. So I'm here in the lab, and the first thing that we love about the Sage Smart Oven Air Fryer is its super versatility, as it's 7 appliances in one. Now, I'm sure you're wondering what all this is. Now, it's a bit of an extreme example, but I'm sure you can relate to having lots of different appliances on your worktop and not enough space to work. Imagine if you could get all 7 of these in one beautiful appliance. So here it is, the Sage Smart Oven Air Fryer, which is a slow cooker, an air fryer, a convection oven, a keep warm, a toaster, a grill, and a pizza oven, all in one appliance. The second thing that we love about this appliance is that it has a dedicated air fryer. Now, air frying is becoming more and more popular as people make to look healthier choices without compromising on taste and results. Now, air frying uses considerably less oil than deep frying, and it produces food that has significantly less fat content in it. But as they say, proof is in the pudding, so we're about to get it out of the air fryer and check it out. Take a look at that. Here you go, so we've got the chips. I don't know whether you can hear that, but it's got a beautiful crunch. Now, while I finish off my mouthful, some of the crew love takeaway chicken, so let's invite them in to try it. Guys, do you want to come on over? So that is the big question. Does it taste like a takeaway?
Yeah. Absolutely.
Tastes like a takeaway, but so much healthier.
Could be a Saturday night right now. It's just arrived. Crispy chicken out. Happy days.
The final thing that we love about this appliance is that it's great for all-round convenience. It's got a clear LCD display, which clearly shows the 10 different presets. It's got an interior light that comes on 30 seconds before your food has finished cooking. You might have seen that earlier on in the video. And it's got a non-stick coating, which makes it easy for cleaning. And all the accessories can be put in the dishwasher. 7 different appliances, 10 different presets, easy cleaning. What more could you want? If you'd like more information about the Smart Oven Air Fryer from Sage, you can visit us in store, online, or chat to one of my colleagues on the Shop Live video call.